today I wanted to share with you how our painting to go has been going this year. This is our first time trying this out. It is part of Timberdoodle's Grade 7 kit. I will put a link to that in the description box below if you want to look into it further. But I wanted to show you. Hi friends, welcome back to Calm in the Chaos Homeschool. So today my background is a little bit different. You might be seeing this a little more often. This is a tutoring center that I have been doing some after-school tutoring at in the last little bit, and when it is empty, it is a lot better of a place to record than at my own home. So I might be trying to do a few more videos here. So just to explain the change in background and lighting, I can't have all my lighting here, but it at least is a quiet space. But I wanted to show you how we have been using it this year and the sorts of paintings that my kids have been able to do using this program. It is all right, so this is painting to go. So I have a packing slip here, and let's see if I can show you. It's basically a paint kit. I've got 4 canvases, some brushes, some aprons, and I don't know if I can oh, there we go. Somehow we're gonna learn how to paint something like that. And I picked this up because I have 4 kids and there are 4 paintings. And so I think that will be a fun activity that we can all do. Not sure what all of this is, but there you go. It comes with some paints, acrylic paints, and a bunch of canvases, and hopefully instructions on what to do. It is online tutorials, and so it came with 4 different paintings, and so far we have done 2 of them. And so there's a teacher teaching every step of the way. And even though it's a 1-person kit, I basically bought some extra canvases, extra acrylic paint, extra paint brushes, and I've been able to do it with all 4 of my kids. So that's something to keep in mind. If you have multiple kids, you can just add on some supplies and you can all do it together. If I wanted to, I could have done it myself as well. The lessons have been really great, really step by step. We do pause sometimes, go back, rewind sometimes, but the products that my kids have been able to put out have been really cool. So I'm going to show you a bit of what all that has looked like for us this year.
I'm going to take white, make sure your brush is nice and dry. Take white, with the tiniest bit of yellow to it. So it's still mostly white. I don't know if you all can see that. Right there, it's like white, but with the tiniest bit of yellow. You just want to do a small circle. You can make this as big or as little as you want. But I like to place it right in here. And you're just gonna...
So once again, if you're interested in looking at this further, I will put the link in the description box below. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much for coming today, and I hope to see you all in a future video. Bye everyone.